Hello! Today's new thing is this UVS, a vacuum drying oven. This equipment is designed to dry transformer insulation. Solid insulation is known to be the most important component of transformers, and its dielectric parameters directly depend on the degree of contamination with moisture. Modern transformers are complex systems which contain materials requiring special servicing, including the temperatures of operation. In this machine, this is addressed by implementing soft heating and uniform distribution of heat throughout the volume of the chamber by internal air circulation. Of course, dehydration is further intensified by the vacuum system. The main operation mode of the machine is automated. The operator simply sets the required process stages and temperatures, process duration, and vacuum. Note that in this modification, the machine can be fully controlled manually. Apparently, in principle, the oven can be used to dry not only transformer insulation, but can be modified for other processes. These could include soft drying of powders, granules, dyes, medicines, semiconductors, PCBs, and other electronic components. In a word, vacuum drying is always necessary where a product or a material requires delicate handling and when there is a risk of damage under high temperatures. We appreciate new ideas and dialogue. Let us know which design solutions you think successful. How reasonable is the installation of the control system redundancy? What advantages does the infrared heating system have compared to heating the air with electric heaters? Which parts of the process could also be automated, in your opinion? See you at our website www.globecore.com.